Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So a while back I told you guys to keep your iPad, and while I still somewhat feel like that, I gave this tablet, I've had this for probably well over a year now, and I gave this tablet a fair shake multiple times. I just didn't shoot a video for it every time. And you know what, there's a lot to like about this tablet, like real talk. It may not be or feel like the snappiest tablet of them all, but that's just the story of Android tablets, period. That is how it is with Android tablets, and they just don't get a lot of love. But Huawei's been doing some system updates. I just got another one updated to 196, and it made it feel a little bit better. Like, I feel, if it doesn't feel like it's just a blazing fast, but it definitely feels somewhat snappier in the day-to-day tasks that I've been using it for. I really enjoyed the Harman Kardon sound on here. Now, I don't know if they did some kind of improvement with the Harman Kardon sound. I can't tell you that it did, but what I will tell you is the speakers being up here and down here, kind of strange that that's where they are, but it is what it is. You've got the all the ports pretty much on this side right here, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing on this side, but this tablet does feel premium. And that's just the way it is. It's got a fingerprint reader, you know what I'm saying? It's a bunch going on here. It just doesn't feel as snappy as I feel like it should be for what's inside. And that's probably why I felt like that. My expectations of this tablet were so high because I know the processors that inside. And it just doesn't feel super snappy in the way I thought it would feel. And that's pretty much it. So, sign in here. Why am I signed out? I guess, I don't know. But you know, just the overall smoothness that I feel from a lot of tablets and other, like on the iPad, I just don't feel it here. But again, that's Android tablets, period, to me. There are some out there that are smoother than this one, but again, now one thing that I do like about this tablet, and I think they've improved, is the speaker quality. And the microphone is facing me, but still, you get some just of how it sounds. It's really good. It's a full sound. It's a really full sound. But you get some just of what I'm talking about. The quality of the screen is really good. I just pulled up a video. I always use that video to test the sound. But you know, the quality of this tablet is really good. I don't have an issue with it, man. I like it. So that is the tablet itself is good. Now, another place where the tablet really shined, and I don't know if it's because of the updates, but it's the camera. The cameras on this thing. This shoots 4K on the rear, so keep that in mind. This does shoot 4K, and that's impressive, to say the least. But I'm going to show you some camera footage, and I gotta tell you, this thing it's growing on me again. Let's look at some camera footage. Now, this camera can do 1080p at 60 frames per second, and also 4K at 30 frames per second. So just give you some sense of how nice the camera is. There's my buddies. I can get rid of those things. Alright, so as you can see from the footage, the camera does pretty well. The orientation of this tablet is to be held like this because they have the volume rocker and power button and everything on this side. Pretty much all the buttons are on this side, fingerprints on this side. You can actually hold it in this orientation. It actually feels really good doing so. But when watching content, you want to hold it this way. So, you know, there's a lot to like about this this tablet for sure. The hardware is premium. The display is called the Ultra Vision display, and it's 280 pixels per inch, and that's a 2K display. It's a 2K display. So, you know, this tablet doesn't look or feel outdated. It actually feels really premium. And so I started using it again. I said, I gotta give this thing another look. It's just that sluggishness that I'm not used to, and the fluidity of iPads is what I am used to. Now, this isn't the first Android tablet, and this won't be the last, and I've had plenty of Android tablets. I'm just still wanting more. The app selection on Android tablets is another thing where a lot of them aren't optimized, you know? And that's the difference between using this and an iPad. You might see more optimization from developers for iPad apps, which is kind of sad because, you know, this tablet is actually really premium. So you've got the high-res audio, you've got the powerful Huawei chip in there, you know, you've got Harman Kardon speakers. It's a good looker, man. It's just, I'm still wanting more, but this is a good daily driver, and it's not very expensive either. I mean, you can grab this for under $400. You're actually getting a lot when you think about it, but it's a matter of what you want in a tablet, because you do have that. I mean, you have quad speakers on here that are Harman Kardon, so you know, I don't know. It does work in. I already tested this, but you've got the docking where you can turn into desktop mode. I really like desktop mode. I think desktop mode is really sweet. And you don't obviously have to have it plugged in to go to desktop mode, but if you plug it into desktop mode and put it to a different monitor, it's really, really nice. And this even makes it even more like a computer, if you will, not just a tablet. And that's the great part about it. I really like it. Let you know your notification. I don't know. Oh, maybe because of the update. That's got to be what it is. I was like, because I've used this 100 times, but since the update came in, it's letting me know all over again. So this is the tablet, man. I mean, this is a nice tablet. It deserves more respect than I gave it the first time. It's just that I still don't think that performance-wise, it's as smooth as I would want it to be, and that's what I'll say. That's what I'll say. It's definitely not as smooth as I would like it to be, and that's just my standards on it. But you know, you have your own set of rules that you play by, and for a tablet, there's a lot of tablet right here. It's still really, really solid. I'm just wanting a little bit more for some reason. I don't know what it is, but I really do like this thing. Believe it or not, I actually do like it. You might think that I don't like it, but I really do like it. Ooh, that's nice. That's beautiful. I'm just checking out the wallpapers here. This is beautiful right here. That's beautiful. The screen is absolutely great, man. This is a great display. It's beautiful. Yep. So it's your man Jay, man. Yeah, this is definitely a tablet that should be a force to be reckoned with. Those who have it, tell me what you think about it. Is there anybody out there using this tablet? Let me know. One thing I didn't touch on that I touched on it before is the battery life. It has a 7,500 milliamp hour battery inside of this thing, and it lasts and lasts and lasts and lasts and lasts. That is for sure. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed another follow-up video. I think I've had this thing for at least a year or more, and I'm back using it again. So we shall see how this works out. I'm going to be playing the same games. Well, I already play the same games. I'm going to be testing the same games on my iPad and even more on here, because this technically has a really powerful processor inside, and it should be able to produce some good experiences. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.